Hey, I've just arrived to Vanuatu. It's my 88th country and I'm here today with my friend Dima. He's in the car.
Everyone.
And we just got this beautiful, super new car, which is called Kia. Let's drive. We decided to make a short fruit stop because there is a market which has lots of crazy, good-looking fruits. We got our bananas and now we are getting papaya. We ended up with coconut. 50, right? Thank you. Is it good?
Yeah, it tastes like potato.
Our first stop is a beautiful Evergreen Waterfall, which is not exactly this one, but it's somewhere there. We have to hike a little bit. There is a complex section because we have to walk across the water. We made it. Oh! Definitely a very nice swim, and we're gonna continue walking all the way to the top. This is a really amazing place, and it's definitely worth the 20 bucks which we paid at the entrance. And now it's time to go back. Just arrived on a small beach, which is somewhere in the middle of the island. We've just arrived at a truly magnificent place for the sunset. It's super yellow now. You can see some beautiful boats. It was a very nice sunset and we met lots of friendly children who were chasing our drone. We haven't got much food today, but finally it's dinner time. We got onion rings and shrimps. And now it's time for the main meal, which is fish. It was a really long and awesome day, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos. Bye!